Hey Jim, it's Jen Campbell with Young Chevrolet. Just sending over a quick video to you as promised. So this is the Ford that you inquired about. See, it does need to be washed. Sorry about that. It's still gonna go through detail. Everything looks really good. You asked about body damage or any repainting, and I do not see anything that doesn't look original. It's got that nice bed liner back there too. So you can see it's in awesome condition. Let's look at the inside. Leather seats are all intact, no rips or tears. If we hop in, start this baby up. Sounds awesome. You can see the mileage down there, 25,024. With the dual climate control, your four-wheel drive, auxiliary. So yeah, we'd love to make a deal with you. Just let me know what I need to do in order to make that happen, and I will also check into your vehicle and what we can give you for it. So I will chat with you soon. Thanks.